Shocking video. You are consuming wheatgrass incorrectly. Learn the right way for wheatgrass oral health benefits. First of all, let's talk about wheatgrass and its rise to fame as natural, powerful treatment for a wide range of issues. Wheatgrass is the young grass shoots of the Triticum aestivum plant. It is grown mainly in Europe and the United States. It can also be grown indoors if you live in a colder climate. It has been used for thousands of years by ancient Egyptians and Indians as part of ayurvedic medicine, but its rise in the Western world first began in the 1930s. When Dr. Charles Franklin Schnabel's work on wheatgrass opened the floodgates for further scientific research, he was considered the father of wheatgrass for his continued work in the field. One of his research areas was carried out on chickens, where he gave them wheatgrass, and over a period of time, he noticed their health improving drastically. He also saw that these same chickens tripled their egg production rate when a small amount of wheatgrass was added to their diet. Pretty amazing, right? What does wheatgrass contain? Wheatgrass is packed full of vitamins and vital minerals in addition to containing plant nutrients, which are thought to have antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. No wonder it is a magical cure for everything. All the essential minerals can be achieved from this one product. It contains 92 minerals, which include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and the list goes on. It also has a reputation of curing all kinds of problems, such as cancer, although this is not conclusive and more research is required. Ulcers can be treated by wheatgrass according to several studies, and liver detoxification can occur through this power food. Is it any good for teeth? Yes. It contains chlorophyll, one of nature's best remedies for gum disease. Chlorophyll contains 20 amino acids and other phytochemicals not found in any other foods. It works by neutralizing the toxins that inflame gums and loosen teeth. It will no doubt inhibit the growth of disease-causing bacteria and reduce the amount of plaque buildup. A study was carried out at Eastman Dental Institute of London and discovered a correlation between pH and periodontal pocketing. Wheatgrass showed to balance the body's pH levels, making it more alkaline and thus reducing the effects of acidic foods that cause gum disease. How to use wheatgrass for dramatic results. For better teeth, you want to use wheatgrass slightly differently. You don't want to drink it straight away. Get half a teaspoon of natural wheatgrass powder and put it into a shot glass. Add in some water and mix well, as there might be some clumps. Try using bottled water, as it will not contain chemicals that are present in tap water. Just simply swish it around your mouth for 1 minute and then spit it out. Try to break it up into 2 halves. Do half of the shot glass first, then brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, swish the remaining wheatgrass for another minute and spit it out again. Wheatgrass contains chlorophyll, which is an antibacterial, so you can imagine it removing the bad bacteria from your mouth. Studies have also shown that it can heal tissue damage and prevent bad mouth odor, which is a big plus. If you have tried coconut oil pulling and have not seen any success, then wheatgrass may be the better option, and it's much quicker and easier to use. Give it a shot and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget the basics though. Regular toothbrushing and flossing are essential to maintaining decent teeth. The right nutrition also plays a big part in maintaining proper oral hygiene. And this is why we are giving away our free guide, Oral Care Handbook, the 5-step formula. It will give you step-by-step instructions on how to care for your teeth, all laid out in front of you in an easy-to-follow order. It takes all the guesswork out, and more importantly, it is written by an actual dentist who knows what he's talking about. Get your copy now at www.teethmastery101.com/guide. That's it for today, but be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want similar videos, then please get in touch and we will do our best to give you what you want. Goodbye, and see you soon.